start my satsang with Guruji, and you can say my journey with Guruji that started in 1995 in Jalandhar. Being from a very conservative family, I used to never believe in any guru, any saint, anything of that sort, because being young also and a mother of two very small children, I never felt the need to go to any guru, because with Guruji's blessing, with that time I was so blessed. I had everything, a good job, a good husband, and of course a son, a daughter, a home, everything. But Guruji had some other plan for me. He wanted me to visit him to Jalandhar, and he sent so many times, so many messages to me through one of my closest friends, Kamal. So it was just to oblige her that I went to Guruji. And a very strange thing happened. The very first moment I entered the mandir, he said, "Aa gayi Mayer auntie." Now my name is Kiran Sood, my husband is SK Sood, everybody knows that. Anyway, I didn't bother, because this was the first time and Guruji used to speak very, very fast. We just matha, I didn't even matha teko, I just said namaste and I sat down. And after some time he called me and my husband. He said this was his usually way of calling the Sangat. So we just sat down, the one person on the left side of the chair and the other on the right side. So we kept sitting. He was talking to us, he was talking, various people were coming and matha taking, and then I felt bad, of course, because I never knew that he was such a great saint. He was God incarnate. I should have matha taken, but anyway, that was it. Now, this is how it started, थोड़ी देर बाद he said, आंटी को चाय पिलाओ, आंटी को ये खिलाओ, आंटी को वो खिलाओ. बोलते रहे, आता रहा, हम खाते रहे. When I went there, I think it was around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I was sitting there when I looked at my watch, it was around 8 o'clock. Now this was very surprising, very, very surprising to me, because when my second child, my son, was born, so I developed a kind of arthritis in my body. I could not sit on the floor, and whenever I used to get up in the morning, it took me 10-15 minutes to open that bolt from the door itself. So I was very surprised, how could I be sitting on the floor, and that too for such a long time. Anyway, that is one thing that struck me the very first day. Now, the second thing, when he called me Mayer auntie, that was very, very new word to me, in fact. We were given chutti around 12:30, 1 o'clock after langar. And the first thing I did, I asked my husband while sitting in the car, how could I be Mayer? How could he say Mayer auntie? I asked my husband, I said, how did he call me Mayer auntie? Then he told me that his father's fathers, or maybe his great-grandfather, they used to all write Myers. This was very strange. How did he know? When after so many years of marriage, even I did not know that I was Mayer. Anyway, that was again a shock to me. We came back, and Guruji asked us to come after 2-3 days, and the thing started, every 2-3 days we used to go, and after 3-4 visits, one thing I found was even more strange, because when I was sitting there, जो कोई भी वहाँ आता था, तो गुरुजी used to always say, ये सूद आंटी है, ये दिल्ली से आई है, और ये दिल्ली के बहुत बड़े इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट है. My God, I used to feel it very embarrassing rather. कि one thing, I was coming from Chandigarh, I was not coming from Delhi. The other thing was, we were in international trading. We never had any kind of industry. So I thought Guruji had some kind of misunderstanding. So I made it a point to make it clear to him गुरुजी, एक तो मैं चंडीगढ़ से आती हूँ और दूसरा हमारी कोई इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, हम लोग इंटरनेशनल ट्रेडिंग करते हैं और उसमें ऐसे 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 होता है। आई ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन टू हिम बट ही स्कोल्डेड मी लाइक एनीथिंग। सर चुप करके बैठ जा, गुरुआं दी गल टोकी दी नहीं होंदी। नाउ दैट वाज अ फर्स्ट लेसन टू मी कि वट एवर ही इज़ टू स्पीक वी इज़ टू से हाँ जी गुरु जी, हाँ जी गुरु जी, हाँ जी गुरु जी। But sometime I used to feel that people must be thinking that I have talked blah 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 to Guruji regarding my financial status or this or that. But that was it. Now after some time, he asked my husband to put up a factory in Udaipur. Now we were staying in Chandigarh. Our business was in Delhi. And of course, he used to travel Dubai, Kuwait, here and there, all those countries. But Udaipur was just out of question. But it was Guruji's Adesh, so we started looking for a plot or a company in Udaipur. We found it. Of course, he had a plan for us. We found it. Then we put up a factory and now that factory is what we have. That international trading is gone, everything is gone. Whatever we had it's just the factory that's doing very well. And that was the plan for us by Guruji. So Guruji knew our past also. He knew our past because he knew we belong to that Mayer clan, and he knew that we'll shift to Delhi. And we have shifted to Delhi. We shifted to Delhi in 1998. Then we have that industry. Now बड़े हैं, छोटे हैं, कैसे हैं, that only Guruji knows. Now what do you say? How did he know everything about us, our past, our present, our future, our ancestors, our future generations, our posterity, I don't know how did he know everything, but he knew everything. Then the first day he cured my arthritis. Then he cured my husband who was having a heart problem since 1992. That time he used to apply some pan ka pattas, He applied those pan ka patta and till now he is hale and hearty. He is fine, And there are so many other satsangs, you can't even imagine. Anyway, I would love to quote one. It is like that in 1998 when we had shifted to Delhi. One day we were sitting in Empire State and Guruji asked my husband to go to Jalandhar for some work, right? And he was supposed to drive himself. My God, he is such a bad driver. We never allowed him to drive because once or twice he tried to drive and it was an accident, and a very, very bad accident. So he was always allowed to travel with the driver. But now Guruji asked him to go to Jalandhar on his own without any driver. I was so scared. I said, Guruji, इनको तो बिल्कुल ड्राइविंग नहीं आती, हम तो बिल्कुल अलाउ नहीं करते, तो आप अगेन आई वॉज कोल्ड, तू बैठ जा, गुरुआं दी गल नहीं टोकी दी हुंदी, मैं भेज रहा ना, तैनू की लोड़ है. Anyway, my husband started the car from Empire State and reached, it was around, I think so, 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening, and that time it was a single road from Delhi to Punjab. He started 5 o'clock and 12 o'clock I got a call that he's reached safe and sound. Now I was so surprised, my God, the person who could never drive even locally, how could he drive down to Punjab very smoothly? But it was Guruji's Adesh anyway. Next day he came back and the first thing I asked him, how could you drive down to Punjab when you don't even drive in Delhi itself? He said, I don't know. What I could make out, I went to the petrol pump, filled my tank, and started my journey to Jalandhar. After reaching there, I thought that I was there in Jalandhar. My God, how could you you were driving down, you were alone with nobody, you know, and how could you not face any problem? I said, I don't know. I just remembered the petrol pump, and then I reached Preeti Auntie's place. Everybody knows Preeti Auntie is very old Sangat of Guruji, and Guruji used to go to her place for soups and all that while he was in Jalandhar. So this is Guruji. He can do anything. He could create anything. He could predict any, not predict, I think so. He could rewrite our destiny. This is what he has done in our case. I think so. This is enough for this first satsang. If you people like it, I'll go on recording more and more satsangs in future, and of course sending to all of you. Thank you so much, and Jai Guruji.